DJN TV.
Again, Appeal Court upholds Governor Obaseki's victory at Election Tribunal as Governor hails judgment. Plus, DG, National Youth Service Corps, kicks against scrapping of the scheme. Hi guys, good morning to you, good afternoon to you, and good evening to you depending on your location. This is DJM Daily News Update, where you get all the latest news around the world. Let's go to the main news. The Appeal Court sitting in Benin City, the Edo State capital, today upheld the ruling of the Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal against the Action Democratic Party (ADP), thereby reaffirming the electoral victory of Governor Godwin Nogagase Obaseki at the 2020 governorship elections. The judgment is coming barely 2 months after the Elections Petition Tribunal struck out the petition by the Action Democratic Party and its governorship candidate, Mr. Iboyi Lucky, challenging the outcome of the September 19, 2020 governorship elections, which returned Governor Godwin Nogagase Obaseki of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) as governor of Edo State. The Appeal Court delivering the judgment in the case marked CA/B/EPT/Gov/01 and 1A/2021 Action Democratic Party and ANO versus INEC and 20 others held that Obaseki did not forge his certificate with which he contested the 2020 governorship elections, thereby dismissing the appeal filed by the Action Democratic Party and its candidate. In another case marked /B/EPT/Governor/02/2021 Action People's Party (ADP) versus Godwin N. Obaseki and 20 others, the court unanimously upheld the judgment of the tribunal and dismissed the appeal with cost assessed at 600,000 naira each on 2 different counts, as the governor won all 8 issues for determination in the appeal. Delivering judgment in favor of Governor Obaseki, the presiding justice, Honorable Justice M.A. Owoade, dismissed the main appeal, the preliminary objection, and the cross appeal. The judge noted that the inclusion of the All Progressive Congress (APC) and its candidate, Pastor Osage Ize-Iyamu, as respondent in the petition was a ploy by Mr. Ize-Iyamu to fight his case through another petitioner, describing it as a case of squeezing the rock for water. Meanwhile, the Edo State Governor, Mr. Godwin Nogagase Obaseki, has praised the verdict of the Appeal Court in Benin City for upholding the ruling of the Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal, describing it as another victory for Edo people. In a statement, the governor said the judgment of the Court of Appeal is a testament of the fairness and equity of the judiciary. In Governor Godwin Obaseki's own words, the verdict of the Court of Appeal Benin City upholding the ruling of the Edo State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal is another victory for Edo people and a testament to the fairness and equity of the judiciary. The judiciary has again ensured that the will of the people is not suppressed and the mandate they freely gave is not hijacked. They have robustly demonstrated the truism that the judiciary is indeed the last hope of the common man. Speaking further, Mr. Obaseki said in his own words again, "We count on the judiciary to, as they have done today, to continue to uphold the voice and the will of the people. It is worth reiterating that the case brought against me was inspired by hate, strife, and avarice and the arrogance of the opposition to lord themselves over the will of the majority of the good people of Edo State." The governor also commended the Edo people for their support to his administration, noting again in his words, "We thank Edo people for their unyielding belief in our mandate and vision for our state. We appreciate the People's Democratic Party (PDP) for the support and shared vision to make Edo great again. We also appreciate His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari (GCFR) for ensuring a vibrant and fair judiciary that upholds the will of the masses. Also in the news, the Director General of the National Youth Service Corps (NYSC), Brigadier General Shaibu Ibrahim, has said that the relevance of the National Youth Service Corps scheme in the integration and national cohesion of the country cannot be underestimated. This is coming as the National Assembly moves to scrap the scheme. Brigadier Ibrahim said the National Youth Service Corps has been serving as a tool for the socio-economic development of the country through the deployment of corps members to states outside their states of origin, where they contribute their quota by making positive impact in the lives of their host communities through the execution of different laudable projects. The NYSC DG stated this today in Abuja, adding that the National Youth Service Corps is germane and critical to the unity of the country. In Brigadier General Ibrahim's words, the National Youth Service Corps is not a waste of time. Wherever corps members are posted to, they have been adding value in order to be remembered with good legacies. He said the National Youth Service Corps management has partnered with the security agencies in the country to ensure adequate protection of corps members during their service year. He also stated that corps members are always sensitized in camp on the need to be security conscious, not indulging in late night movements and other risky adventures like overnight traveling. He counseled the corps members to break any journey that will take them beyond 6 p.m. In his words again, security is everybody's business, and security challenge is not limited to National Youth Service Corps alone. We appeal to parents to help us sensitize their children not to endanger their safety and lives. Every country has challenges, but we should turn our challenges into opportunities, the NYSC DG said. Speaking on youth empowerment, the National Youth Service Corps DG disclosed that the National Youth Service Corps management in 2012 introduced skill acquisition and entrepreneurship development program into their orientation course content, which has enabled thousands of corps members to acquire vocational skills. He further stated that the partnership between the scheme and its stakeholders like the Bank of Industry, Central Bank of Nigeria, Access Bank, among others, which offer soft loans for corps members, has turned many of them into employers of labor and wealth creation today. The Director General reiterated his call for the establishment of the National Youth Service Trust Fund, where certain percentage of the proceeds from private organizations will be used to upgrade and maintain orientation camps facilities, while corps members would also be given a certain amount at the end of the service year to start their business vocations. The National Youth Service Corps Director General, however, commended the state governments that have been performing their statutory responsibility in the areas of the provision, maintenance, and upgrading of camps facilities, while calling on others lagging behind to be alive to their responsibilities. General Ibrahim emphasized that the National Youth Service Scheme has a good posting and deployment, which is based on instant guidelines and regulations. In his words again, posting, redeployment, and other services are free in National Youth Service Corps. Relocation is done on health and mental grounds with genuine reasons. Parents should teach their children to be patriotic and have human feelings. Let the spirit of the National Youth Service Corps be in us for the betterment of our country, he added. He further charged corps members and prospective ones not to waste the service year, but rather improve themselves as well as add value to their host communities in line with the motto of the National Youth Service Corps scheme, which is service and humility, for which they will be remembered by posterity. With that report, we have come to the end of our news update for this time. Thank you very much for your time. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment on all our news videos. Kindly follow us on all our social media platforms on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and on www.djm TV News. I am Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM